this dude right here, Nayun, he was he was in the PvP arena. Literally, he didn't have any armor, because he didn't need it. So he was in the PvP arena taking out donators, Echo players, and stuff by just two-tapping them. What he does, he uses to kill aura to get them in combat, the combat timer, and then he uses some hack called Headless, and he taps it one more time and then it kicks them. Or I guess someone says wrong turn and stuff because I told him to test it on me in spawn, and when he punches somebody, it says wrong turn and kicks it from the server, and basically he does that so. And he's actually on this point. I couldn't get the thing to recorder on to show you the conversation in the client. The actual conversation of him is all the way up in the chats and stuff. Some of the hack that he did, I think kicking was hapless.